the hell?
Oh, hey, Brian, I was set to wait for my turn here, so I brought every coin here I could. I see you're on the unicorn. You will, sir. Those are horses. What are you doing with theirs? There's private stuff. I told you, only on one condition. Investing. Invest in stock market. The stock market. Who even knows about that stuff?
Just follow trends and
invest trends.
For instance,
there are more single people.
So I'm investing in handguns and
investing in a handgun with
They don't want to be part of society.
They don't want to be part of that, but you know. Maybe I could. I don't know, Williet. But if you ask me, just make a rigged game. Where people get hurt. Are you reading off a teleprompter right now? Are you really talking teleprompter right now? No.
The prompter's down. What do we do? Brian, Van. So great to be in Quahog,
Rhode Island today.
That's why he's the best. Our top story. An austere monetary policy has the European Union on the brink of collapse, threatening the entire global economy. And for viewers making less than $40,000 a year, your top story is a big UFC fight this Saturday. Wow, I can't wait to see that fight.
Wow, I can't wait to see that fight. And the guy that's watching Griffin, we had dinner with my parents that night, and it's a birthday. You have to be there. Girl, you let me out of this, and I'll go beside on the new place. Deal.
I did not go to the recycle.
I did not go to the recycle.
Oh, what a day. I asked Miss Marshall if she had a day, and immediately she put me in the timeout.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Dios mío.
Oh, great.
Of course it's one of them.
Stewie, adults are allowed to say racist things because of
adults
traffic.
are not allowed to say things because of traffic.
98 Toyota Corolla. We all have 98 Toyota Corolla. ¿Qué? I allowed to say racist things because of traffic.
Well, don't get so angry.